Welcome to Government 1 class. Government 1, under the study of Ijmb, centers on elements and concepts of government. So this afternoon we'll be looking at the concept of power or power. The first thing we'll be considering is the origin of power. Then 2, we'll be looking at the meaning of power. Then 3, sources of power. Then our last focus will be on forms or types of power. Then the word power is derived from a Greek word called dunamis. So dunamis simply means strength or power. So the origin where this word came from is from a Greek word. So the Greeks were the first set of people to make use of the word. And in Greek, it is called dunamis. That is the origin of power. Then what is power? Power has been defined by different academians or different educators. So there is no particular definition to the concept of power. Now, power may be defined as the capability of an individual to influence, to control, to direct others. That is power. So the ability that an individual possesses in order to influence others, either against their will or their wish, is what we refer to as power in social science. According to Olushola OO, in 2016, says that power is the ability or capacity to refrain others from their primary intention. It simply means that the ability that an individual possesses or a particular person has in order to stop you against your wish, against your intention, against your desire, is what refers to a power or power. Then, sources of power. We have traditional source. When we say traditional source of power, it means that power can be inherited from father to son. In the traditional society, power is translated from fathers to their sons. In traditional African society, like in kinship environment, queenship environment. We also have economy. Economy is also another source of power. It means that ability that an individual possesses, that is the wealth, the economic wealth, particularly people who are business tycoon, what they possess is what we call economic power. So economy or their wealth gave them power in order to influence others and control us. Then we also have what we call election. Election is the only democratic process by which an individual attains political power. So the power that is bestowed on the president of this country, President Muhammadu Buhari, was gotten through election. So the source of his power is election, because he showed keen interest to contest for political posts, and people gave their mandate to him. So election is another source of power. They also have the Jutan. The Jutan is the military power. That is the power that the military or the soldiers are claimed to themselves. Is what we call Jutan. Then we also have what we call naked power. Naked power is the ability of female gender to have influence on their male gender or on their counterparts. So then forms or types of power. We have what we call political power. Political power is the national power. It is the constitutional power. It is the legal power. It is the recognized power that is bestowed on an individual, particularly politicians or people who own political offices. So the power that the president, the power that the governors, the power that the senators have is what we refer to as political power. And this power is backed up by constitution, because the source of this power is what we call election. Therefore, political power is democratic, because election is democratic. Then we also have economic power. Economic power is the power that people that have access to resources, people that have control of resources, they have money, like Dangote. Dangote can influence people. The power that is bestowed on Dangote, or the power that he has in order to influence others, is what we refer to as economic power. So we refer to as economic power. Then we also have military power. It is self-defined, as the phrase connotes. That is the power that the soldiers or the Jutan brace as. Is what we refer to as military power. Then we also have hereditary power. It is also known as traditional power. The power that the traditionals, such as king or queen or chiefs in our African society possess, is what refers to as traditional power. So these are some of the power or types of power that we have. So in our next class, we shall look at the concept of authority. Thank you.